Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable the Windows 10 startup delay. So firstly press Windows key plus R. Now type in the run command regedit and press OK. Now click on HKey local machine. Click on software. Click on Microsoft. Navigate Windows. Click on current version. Now in here click on Explorer. Now in here navigate Serialize. If you not find Serialize folder, so right click on Explorer, click on New, click on Key and type this name Serialize. After creating Serialize folder, right click on it, click on New and select dword32. Now type this name Startup Delay in MSEC. Now right click on it and click on Modify and give the value data as 0 and click on OK. Close it and restart your PC. So by this easy and simple method, you can disable Windows 10 startup delay. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.